In this problem, a1 plus a2 up to a2n plus 1 are in A. So, a1, a2, a3 up to a2n plus 1 are in A. In this, it had been given that the sum of the extremes from both ends will be same, like by property a1 plus a2n plus 1 is equal to a2 plus 1 less than this will be a2n. a2n is equal to this. These are all equal. So I have a1 plus a2n plus 1 is equal to a1 is first term, a2n plus 1 is a1 plus 2n plus 1 minus 1 into d. Okay. So when you add, you will get 2a1 plus 2nd or 2 into a1 plus nd. Okay. Now we will take up the given question. In the given question, it is a 2n plus 1 minus a1 by a 2n plus 1 plus a1. a2n plus 1, we just got this a plus 2nd a1 plus 2nd minus a1 divided by this is 2 into a1 plus nd. This a1 gets cancelled, you get 2nd by 2 into a plus nd, or it is nd by a plus nd. Let me go for the second one. a2n minus a2 divided by a2n plus 1 a2n plus a2. a2n is a plus 2n minus 1 into d minus a2 is a1 plus d. Okay, divided by this is already we have calculated, that is 2a plus 2nd. So when you simplify this, you get a1 plus 2nd minus d minus a1 minus d divided by 2a plus 2nd. Here a1 again gets cancelled. You get 2nd minus 2d divided by 2a plus 2nd, or it is if you take 2d common, n minus 1 by 2 into a plus nd gets cancelled. Therefore, the second term is equal to n minus 1 by a plus nd. So, LHS is equal to, you have a2n, we have the last term. Last term is an plus 2 minus an divided by an plus 2 plus an. So here an plus 2 once again will become a1 plus n plus 2 minus 1 means n plus 2 minus 1 into d minus an is a plus a1 plus n minus 1 into d divided by. See here when you add these two things, 2n plus 2, everything. 2n plus 1, 2n plus 2 it is there, means it is 2an plus nd. So again on simplification you will get a1 plus n minus 1 into d minus a1 minus n plus 1 into d minus a1 minus n minus 1 into d divided by 2a plus 2nd. So here again a1 gets cancelled, take d common, n plus 1 minus n plus 1 divided by 2a plus 2nd. So d into 2n divided by 2 divided by 2a plus 2nd is equal to, here again take 2 common here, a plus nd. This 2 gets cancelled, you get d by a plus nd. So LHS will be equal to nd by a plus nd, n minus 1d by a plus nd. Goes on like this, finally you will get d by a plus nd. Take d common, a plus nd, which is n plus n minus 1 plus 1, which is d by a plus nd, n into n plus 1 by 2 is sigma n. 1, 2, 3 up to n is sigma n. So finally you will get n into n plus 1 by 2. This d can be written as a2 minus a1 by a plus nd. Therefore it would be which formula? First option.